Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very simple and beautiful headband. Hold your yarn behind the elastic band, insert your crochet hook from under the band and pull up a loop and make a slip stitch. Then raise your loop. Insert your crochet hook in the elastic band, yarn over and pull up a loop. Keep repeating this process. This is the fourth one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we count equal loops 7, 7. You yarn over and pull through the 7 loops. Then make a slip stitch. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all the loops and make a slip stitch. Continue this process. So all you have to do is keep repeating the same process until you get the desired size. Please watch till the very end to know how to attach both the ends to make it a headband. Now I'm come to the end of this tutorial and just adjust everything properly, and we will uh, join both the ends together. Now join both together, adjust it, and insert your hook under the elastic band and pull up a loop. Now adjust both together and insert your hook through this loop, joining them together. Yes, hold them together, insert your hook and pull up a loop and pull through the two loops. Keep repeating this process. Insert your hook in all the loops and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain one and fasten it. Adjust everything properly and your headband is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial with me, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for supporting this channel. Thank you. Now, just snip off the excess yarn and with the help of your crochet hook, pull through the remaining bit of yarn that is on your headband. It is not advisable to cut the yarn too short because your work can open up. So that's the purpose of pulling through the excess yarn and hiding it within your crochet work. Now cut off the excess yarn once again and this beautiful headband is ready. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead, and I will meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.